In this video, we'll demonstrate some of the data cleaning functions available for use in Oasis information models. We will use some data pulled from the internet that lists details of lakes in North America. We modified it a little to illustrate these data cleaning features. We want to create a simple pivot table that shows how many lakes are in each state or province. In the pivot settings, we use the lake name field as data, and set it to count the number. There are a total of 268 lakes. Now we drag the state-province field down as rows. This is what we want, a list of states and provinces, each with a count of lakes. However, there's a problem. We see that there are duplicate rows for some states. It looks as if there are some extra spaces in these state names. Let's cancel, and see if we can confirm this. The table editor has a feature that lets us see space and control characters more easily. If we set this, we can clearly see the extra spaces. We also see different capitalization. The pivot table considers strings with different spaces and capitalization as separate items. We can fix this with some cleaning steps. Under column functions, clean and trim functions are provided. We'll start with trim all extra spaces. This removes any leading and lagging spaces. Also, two or more space characters in a row are replaced with a single space character. We've now created a new model, and the output looks better. The extra leading spaces can no longer be seen. The next step is to add capitalize word first letter. This makes everything lowercase except the first character of every word. We can see that this has fixed the lowercase entries properly now. This is a summary of the two cleaning operations we have just applied to the state-province column. Starting on the left, we trimmed all extra spaces, and then we capitalized the first letter of every word. You can see how the column values changed with each step. Let's try that pivot table again. As before, we add the lake name field as the data field, and set it to a count of values. We then drag the state-province field to rows. Let's check the rows again. There should be no duplicates. We can sort them to make sure. This looks perfect now. We'll click on OK to save. And that's it. A simple cleaning exercise to get the pivot table we need. The source data should be fixed, but it's not always possible to do this, especially if someone else owns the data. So cleaning operations like this in a model are important. This enables models and views to be created without waiting on data cleaning fixes. In this video, we showed that a pivot table needed some data to be cleaned up. So we created an information model where two cleaning steps were applied prior to the pivot operation. Thank you for watching.